Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ay, hindi pala. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Ayan, nandito nga po pala ako sa inyong harapan kasi pinapagalitan ako ni Cyril. Kaya batiin ko daw siya ng happy birthday. Ito na po, happy birthday Cyril. Bye guys!
Hello everyone, mega love shoutout po sa ating lahat. Mabatiin po natin ang isa nating kaibigan si Cyril Music TV. Happy birthday sa iyo, lalabs. God bless you always. And more birthdays to come. Keep safe always. Ingatan po ang ating kalusugan dahil yan ang puhunan ng ating katawan. Yan ang puhunan ng ating buhay. At tulog din pagmantay ha. Huwag natin babag sa YT. And more blessed to come. And tayo na natin itong masasabi sa iyo. Maraming salamat pala sa lahat ng mga pagsuporta sa amin ha. Nandiyan ka palagi sa amin. Maraming salamat sa iyo, loves. Love you. Bye-bye.
And shout out everyone. Wishing a happy birthday to our Cyril Music TV from Feeling Masaya. Happy birthday lalaks ko. Wish you always and your family also. Ingat palagi and more power sa iyong channel. Supportive mo. That's why marami ka rin supporters. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for your support. Ingat palagi. God bless you. Nandito lang kami. Nandiyan ka lang din. Happy birthday. This is Mars of ACM's TV. Wishing you a good health always. Happy birthday.
Nabati ko pa lang DFF ko Cyril. Happy birthday sa iyo. Wish ko lang maraming pang biyayang darating sa buhay mo at malayo sa sakit at makahanap ka na rin ng taong magmamahal sa iyo talaga ng totoo na hindi ka na rin sasaktan. Yan lang. Yan na.
Hello, Lala Cyril Music TV. Today is your birthday, so happy birthday to you. Lala, so enjoy your day. I hope you enjoy your day and ayun yung pangarap natin ituloy lang and more birthdays to come. And of course, stay healthy, stay what you are, and ayun, tuloy-tuloy lang ang pangarap natin hanggat hindi natin nakukuha. And, ayun, more God bless to you and always more abundant blessings and ayun, good luck to our journey and more subscribers to come, more reviews to come, and ayun, stay updated. Parang si Joe updated. So, ayun. Thank you and happy birthday to you. God bless you, Sissy Love. Once again, happy birthday.
Ayan. Happy birthday sa'yo dyan, honey ko. Okay. So, wish you more birthday to come, more blessings. Ano pa? Good health. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano pang ibang sasabihin sa'yo. Basta yun na yun. Happy birthday. Enjoy life. Enjoy sa YT. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Oh yeah. Happy birthday. Ulit, happy birthday. God bless. Yan, paano yung gagawin ganyan? So lang. Okay, God bless. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless always.
Hi Lalas, magandang araw. Ayan, binabati ko kita. Happy birthday. At Anyway, lalabs, thank you din si kilala kita sa YT and then sa team ni dati. Isa ka sa isa ka sa matatag na babae lumalaban sa buhay. Yan, para sa pamilya. Pakatatag ka palagi, lalabs. And then, sana hindi ka magbago sa amin sa pagkikipagkaibigan, lalabs. Ayan, sa pagsishare ng vlogs mo, huwag kang suko, huwag kang hihinto. Yan, patuloy mo lang yan. Hindi ko na pakakain to. Wish you all the best. And God bless you. Always be happy, lalabs. Happy birthday.
Hello, Cyber Po. It's Daniel Jin. Happy birthday to you. I'm very happy that I can celebrate your birthday together. I always appreciate your kindness, your friendship, also your support. Always stay safe and stay strong. And more blessings will come to you. And God bless you. Okay, have a great day. Again, happy birthday to you, Cyril. Stay around po. Ingat-ingat. Goodbye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cyril Music TV. Stay good. You stay safe. Wala na akong masasabi sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa iyong live support. Ako sa akin. Ingat ka palagi din. Happy birthday. Wala. Ingat ka palagi din. Wala na akong masasabi. Yun lang talaga. Kakanta kita ng happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.